This Varian analog to digital interface is used in an MK tool for the semiconductor industry. We received it from one of our many semiconductor customers, and it arrived defunct. We did a full rebuild and discovered a channel had shorted out on the board, which we repaired. And after, we were able to power up the whole unit and have the Alive LED light up. At ERD, we do not have every unit, but we do have the experience to determine that a broken unit with no lights is more than likely repaired if it powers up and its aptly named Alive LED is lit. Since ERD repairs almost any industrial electronic, we make sure our technicians know when to send it back to the customer, and our 3-year warranty makes sure that any problem that isn't dealt with will be.